Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and tap that notification bell so you never miss Shopify tutorials and e-commerce tips that help you grow your online business. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and customize your Shopify store using a fantastic app called Instant Section and Page Builder. Whether you're a small business owner or just starting out with e-commerce, having a well-designed online store is crucial, and today, we'll make that process simple and streamlined. Before we begin, make sure you're logged into your Shopify admin dashboard so you can follow along step by step in real time. First things first, let's navigate to your Shopify dashboard. Once you're there, the next step is to head over to the Shopify App Store. This is the platform where you can find thousands of apps to integrate into your store, each serving unique purposes, from marketing automation to design and analytics. The App Store is one of Shopify's greatest strengths. When you're choosing any new app, always check user reviews, pricing plans, and compatibility with your theme to make sure it fits your store's needs. In the search bar, type in Page Builder. Once the results pop up, look for Instant Section and Page Builder, and click on it. This app is going to be our main tool for building pages and sections effortlessly. After accessing the app's page, you'll see an option to install it. Clicking Install is straightforward, but always ensure you review any permissions the app requests to make sure everything is in order. Most trusted apps only ask for necessary permissions, such as editing themes or managing design layouts. If an app asks for more than expected, always take a moment to read through the details before confirming. After installing the app, you'll need to sign up. Don't worry, there's a sign up for free option available. If you prefer seamless integration and added security, you can choose to continue using your Google account. Using Google not only speeds up the process, but also keeps all your business tools synced and organized under one umbrella. Once you've signed up with your Google account, you'll see an option to connect your Shopify store to the app. This step is crucial as it allows the app to communicate with your store, ensuring all changes and customizations are synced automatically. After granting the necessary permissions and connecting your store, you'll want to dive into building your new look. To begin crafting your store's visual aspects, click on Template Library to start making your template. The template library is rich with options, allowing you to pick designs that suit your brand best. Take your time exploring and selecting elements that will enhance your store's aesthetic appeal. Look for templates that match your product type or industry, for example, fashion, beauty, or tech. The right visual structure can dramatically improve how customers interact with your store. Once you've set your design elements, click on Verify and Publish. This step confirms that your newly designed templates are ready to go live. It's a moment of triumph as your store starts to reflect your vision and personality. Before publishing, you can preview your template to make sure it's mobile-friendly, since more than 60% of Shopify traffic comes from mobile users. A mobile-optimized layout ensures a smoother experience for your visitors. Now, to apply this to your live store, head to the Theme Store Customization in Shopify. Here you'll see an option to select your new designs. Click on Add Section and input your Page Builder template. This adds the customized sections you've created directly to the active theme of your Shopify storefront, making them visible to your customers. Use this opportunity to organize your homepage strategically. Highlight featured products, showcase testimonials, or include a banner promoting special offers. A clean, structured layout can boost conversions. By following these steps, you've not only installed a powerful design tool, but also learned how to make your Shopify store visually compelling and easy to navigate, enhancing the overall shopping experience for your customers. Thanks so much for watching and good luck with your Shopify journey. Remember, design is not just about looks, it's about functionality and storytelling. A store that feels intuitive and reflects your brand personality builds trust and keeps customers coming back. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth Shopify tutorials and app walkthroughs every week.